In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit components in Webflow. We'll walk through a clear, practical example. Adding an icon to a button inside a component, then styling it so it looks polished and consistent across your site. First, open your project in the Webflow Designer and navigate to the page where your component lives. If the button is part of a component, double-click to enter the component's editing mode so your changes apply everywhere that component is used. This is important. Edits inside a component will sync across all its instances, which is great for consistency. If you only want the change in one place, consider working on a separate variant before proceeding. Next, click to select the button you want to add the icon to. Make sure you're clicking the actual button element and not a parent wrapper by confirming your selection in the navigator panel. If the button doesn't have a class yet, this is a good time to add one, so any spacing or size adjustments you make are reusable and don't affect unrelated buttons. Now open the Add panel and insert an image element. You can drag the image right into the button so it sits alongside the button text. If the image lands in the wrong spot, just drag it within the button until it's placed before or after the text, depending on where you want the icon to appear. Placing the image inside the button ensures it inherits the button's layout and alignment. Choose your SVG icon from the Assets panel, or upload it if it's not there yet. SVGs are ideal for icons because they stay crisp at any size. When prompted for alt text, add a short, meaningful description if the icon conveys information. If it's purely decorative, mark it as decorative to keep screen readers focused on the button label. With the icon in place, it's time to customize. Set a consistent width for the icon, often between 16 and 24 pixels, and let the height auto-scale to keep proportions. Add a small margin on the side nearest the text to create breathing room. For clean alignment, set the button to use a horizontal flex layout with center alignment. This keeps the text and icon perfectly centered vertically. If you want the icon on the right, simply reorder the elements or adjust flex direction. Check different breakpoints to confirm the icon and text remain readable on smaller screens, and tweak size or spacing as needed. Finally, preview hover and pressed states to make sure the icon complements your button's interactions. If your icon color should change on hover, ensure the SVG supports that styling or swap in a variant designed for that state. And that's it. Your component now includes a well-styled icon, and the update will propagate anywhere that component is used. Congratulations.